Think about what you did the first time you picked up your phone today. You probably woke up the screen, looked at it, or scanned your fingerprint, and then opened an app. We do this dozens of times a day without even thinking. But behind that simple lock screen is a sequence of security gates that are constantly misunderstood, even by the developers. I'm talking about identification, authentication, and authorization. People use these terms interchangeably, but they serve completely different purposes. Mixing them up isn't just a vocabulary mistake. In the engineering world, it's how massive security vulnerabilities are born. Welcome back to Decoded Security. Let's break these down. Let's start with identification. Identification is simply claiming who you are. When you type your email address into a login box, or when you tell a barista your name for a coffee order, you are identifying yourself. The key rule here is that identity is public and it is unverified. Anyone can claim to be anyone. I could type your email address into the login screen, but that doesn't mean I'm you. Identification tells the system which account records to look up. It provides zero security on its own. So, because anyone can claim an identity, we need the second step, and that is authentication. If identification is claiming who you are, authentication means proving who you are. You prove your identity by providing something only the real user would have. In security world, this usually falls into three buckets. Something you know, like PIN or a password. Something you have, like a physical security key or a code sent to your phone. Or something you are, like your fingerprint or facial scan. When the system verifies your password or biometric data against what it has on the file, you are officially authenticated. But proving who you are isn't just end of the line. Just because you are allowed inside the building doesn't mean you can open every door. And this is where authorization comes in. Authorization determines what you are actually allowed to do once you are inside. Let's look at your phone again. When you download a new game, you authenticate to your device to unlock it, right? But if that game suddenly asks access to your microphone or a camera, your operating system steps in with a permission prompt, right? It's asking for authorization. The app is authenticated. The system knows exactly what the app is, but it doesn't have the authority to access the hardware until you grant it. To put it all together, think of it like going to the airport. When you buy a ticket, you give them your name, and that's identification. When you get to the security checkpoint, the agent checks your passport to make sure you are really the person on that ticket. That is authentication. Finally, when you get on the plane, your tickets tell you if you are sitting in the 32B seat or up in the first class. And that's the authorization. So, claiming who you are, proving who you are, and defining what you can do keeps those three things straight. And you will instantly have a better grasp on how secure systems are built. Let me know in the comments if you need such easy explanation to one of any topic related to security or privacy. And remember, we'll keep it simple.